Okay, today I'll show you how to sharpen your lawnmower's blade. This is Husqvarna LC 356 all-wheel drive. First you need to remove the blade from your lawnmower. Now we can start with the sharpening. So first, you need to clamp the blade securely at your workstation. Using a vise or a sturdy clamp, secure your lawnmower's blade in a way and place that makes it convenient for you to work on it. Keep the grinder at the angle of the bevel of the blade as you sharpen. Often the blade angle is about 40 or 45 degrees, but this is not always the case, so check manufacturer information for the exact angle. You make about 5 to 10 such repetitions with the grinder. The intense friction that results from sharpening a lawnmower blade with a machine can cause the blade to get very hot. This high heat can cause the blade to warp or weaken even as it becomes sharper. To prevent this, it's important to quench the blade frequently as it's being sharpened. To quench the blade, keep a bucket full of water near your workbench as you work on it. So we are doing the same thing with the other side of the blade. Then turn the blade to the opposite side. On this side, you must grind the blade just a few times. Be careful, because the angle here is a little bit different than the previous one. Now let's start sharpening with a file. Run a metal file along the cutting edge of the blade. Stroke from the inside edge of the blade to the outside edge until a clean shiny edge is apparent. The same thing is with the other side. Just be careful about the angle. If you want the blade to be even sharper, you can use fine sanding paper. Okay, we are done with the sharpening. Now we just have to balance the blade. If the lawnmower's blade isn't properly balanced, it can cause the mower to vibrate as it spins or even damage its internal parts. It's convenient to balance the blade when it's removed for sharpening, so you may want to do so after each sharpening. Okay, so this blade is pretty much balanced. So that's it, we're done. That's how you sharpen and balance the lawnmower's blade. Regularly sharpening your lawnmower blade is a great habit to get in. With frequent use, it's usually appropriate to sharpen a lawnmower blades about twice every mowing season. So keep an eye on your grass after you use your mower to cut it. If the grass has a clean, smooth edge, your blades are sharp. If the grass is frayed or torn, your blades are probably too dull and should be sharpened. So that's everything about the sharpening. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.